In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Roblox using Firefox. If you're a Firefox user and you're wondering whether you can play Roblox through the browser, the answer is yes, but there are a few things you need to know. Firefox allows you to access the Roblox website, manage your account, browse games, and connect with friends. However, to actually launch and play Roblox experiences, you'll need to use the Roblox desktop application. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process so you can get started quickly. To begin, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer and navigate to the official Roblox website. Once the site loads, sign in to your Roblox account. If you don't already have an account, Roblox will prompt you to create one before you can continue. After signing in, you'll have access to all of the main Roblox features directly through the website. You can view your profile, check messages, manage your friends list, customize your avatar, and explore the wide variety of experiences available on the platform. The home page makes it easy to discover popular games and recommendations based on your interests. When you find an experience that you'd like to play, click on it to open its game page. At this point, you'll notice that while Firefox can display all the information about the experience, Roblox requires its dedicated launcher to actually run the game. To continue, click the button that allows you to play or explore Roblox through the desktop application. Firefox will then provide the option to get the Roblox launcher needed to start games. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. Once the Roblox launcher is set up and ready to use on your computer, return to the experience you selected and launch it. The launcher will connect you directly to the game, allowing you to join and start playing almost immediately. After entering an experience, you'll be able to enjoy all the usual Roblox features. You can interact with other players, add friends, participate in multiplayer activities, and explore different worlds just as you normally would. Much of your gameplay takes place through the Roblox player itself, so once you're in a game, you won't need to keep using Firefox to continue playing. That's all there is to it. Firefox is a great way to access the Roblox website, manage your account, and discover new experiences, while the Roblox launcher handles the actual gameplay experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,